Hello and welcome to Inyo Pool's how-to guide section. In this video, we will discuss the steps of determining why a pool pump won't prime. Most priming problems involve leaks in the suction side of the pump or clogged baskets. Let's take a look at some of the most common problems and their solutions. Number 1. Water level is too low. If the pool water level is below the midpoint of the skimmer opening, there is a chance of sucking air into the circulation system through the skimmer. Enough air in the system will cause your pool pump to lose prime. Add water to the pool to increase the water level. Number 2. No water in strainer basket. Your pump will not be able to prime if there is not enough water in the pump strainer basket. Open the strainer cover and fill the strainer basket and supply lines for 2 to 3 minutes. Then reseal the strainer cover. Number 3. Clogged skimmer or strainer basket. If your skimmer or pump strainer basket is clogged, your pump may not be getting enough water flow to prime. Remove baskets and clean out debris. Number 4. Strainer cover suction leak. If there is a leak around your strainer cover, the pump will suck air and it may cause priming issues. This problem can usually be fixed by replacing the cover O-ring. Remove the strainer cover, then remove the O-ring. Check for cracks and worn spots and replace if damaged. Make sure the O-ring is seated properly and lubricate it with a silicone-based lubricant. Do not use Vaseline. Close the cover and hand tighten. Number 5. Closed suction or discharge valves. Make sure at least one suction and one discharge valve is open so that you have a free path for water to flow. See our guide on how to install a diverter valve on the suction side of a pool for further information. Number 6. Suction leaks in glued fittings. Sometimes the glue holding your pump fittings together is not completely spread around the pipe. This will cause small air channels to form around your fittings and could lead to priming issues. Check for leaks in the glued fittings on the suction side of the pump. Turn the pump back on and drip some water around the pipe fitting joint. If you see the water getting sucked in, you have a hole. You'll have to redo the connection. See our guide on how to glue pool fixtures together for more information. Number 7. Check for leaks in any unions on the suction side of the pump. Take the union apart and check that the O-ring is good and is seated correctly. Lubricate the O-ring with a silicone-based lubricant. Rewrap the threaded side of the union with 4 to 5 layers of plumber's tape and hand tighten the union back together. Number 8. Clogged impeller. If the pump's impeller is clogged with debris, water will not be able to flow out the side slots and generate a vacuum. Without a vacuum, the pump will not be able to suck water in and it will not prime. See our guide, How to Clean Out a Pool Pump Impeller, for more information. Number 9. Pump speed too low. If you have a 2-speed motor, it generally has to be started at a high speed to create enough suction to cause the pump to prime. After it is primed, the motor can be set to low speed. This concludes our guide on how to determine why a pool pump won't prime. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to call us toll-free at 1-877-372-6038 or visit us online at www.inyopools.com.